Hello, let's learn about dashboard using MS Excel. Dashboard is an information management tool. It receives the data from various linked databases to provide data visualization. It is typically offering high level information in one view that end user can use to answer a single question. In many cases, they can be configured to provide specific information to the end user and how this information is visualized. It is represented in the form of numbers, and majority dashboards will have charts and graphs. The benefits of using dashboard: often information is categorized into panels on a dashboard so that the end user can get the needed information at a glance by clicking on a specific panel. Typically, users utilize them to easily monitor their KPIs, that is known as key performance indicators, to make data-driven decisions for their organization. Dashboards provide users from all different business the ability to monitor performance, create reports, and set estimates and targets for the future. Now let's see how to create a dashboard using MS Excel. Let's create a dashboard using MS Excel. So here, sales data is given. We need to create a dashboard using MS Excel. The data set goes like this. Product is given. The customer age range is given. Gender, region, and profit is given for analysis. And the date of sales along with the cost is also given. So let us create an interactive dashboard using MS Excel. So first, let us create this raw data into the table format so that it will be easy for us to insert the pivot chart. So for this, go to insert and make the raw data as a table. So you need to ensure that the full data set is being created under this range. So here the data ranges from column A, row 1 to column G, row 101. So the data ranges from A1 to G101, and the first row is being with the headers, that is the headlines. So check this, my table has headers, and click OK. So here the data is being converted into the table. So we can also change the view of the table for better looking. So now let us insert the pivot chart. Go to insert, click pivot chart, and so here we can see the full table is selected in the name of table 1. So here no need to select the entire range. So that is why we have been grouping all the data into one single table called table 1. Click OK. Now let us analyze the data by product wise and profit wise. So make sure the axis category is product, and the values are sum of profit. Then again go to insert one more pivot chart and click OK. So here we will analyze the given data using custom age range and profit. Then one more pivot chart for analysis. So this time we will analyze with the gender and the profit. So which gender is giving more profit to us and who is our actual target audience, we can analyze with this given data. Then let us insert another pivot chart. This time we will analyze with region wise, or we will keep this region as our slicer. So we will go with product wise and cost. So let us analyze the cost of the total sales also for better analysis. Now here we have created 4 different dashboards, 4 different charts we have created, and we need to bring all the 4 charts together in dashboard. So here go to, let us rename for better understanding. This is product wise. So it is product, and this is age wise, and this is gender wise, and this one is cost and the product. So let us create an interactive dashboard. So click a new sheet and rename it as dashboard. Then first let us clear all the grid lines here. Go to view and uncheck this grid lines. So the grid lines are removed. Let us name our dashboard. It is dashboard. This is the name we have given for our dashboard. So let us select 2 or 3 rows and go to home and merge center. Let us fill this with some attractive colors. Then let us change the font name of the headline and increase the font size. Okay. Now we will bring all the pivot chart one by one. So go there, copy and paste it here. Then this is product wise, it is there. Then age wise, copy and bring it here. Then gender wise, copy and bring it here. Then cost wise, copy and bring it to the dashboard. So let us resize this for better viewing. So here we have created 4 KPIs. One is the product wise, another one is the age group wise, another one gender wise, and one more for the cost wise. So here we can bring the filters, so based on which we will be explaining the full dashboard. So for this, go to select any one of the pivot table and go to insert, then click slicer. So here we will analyze region wise and also okay. So let us analyze the given data using the slicer region wise. Let us adjust it according to the dimensions we can view. Then we can also analyze the given data based on the timeline. So that is based on the date of sales. So here the values are in months. We can also change it to quarter wise. We can also make it as day wise, but that is meaningless here because the data set is little high. And also year wise. So here year wise is not possible because only 1 year is given. So let us analyze with month wise. Then we'll bring this to this place and adjust it here. So here we can drag and to this side to that side so that we can view it. Here also we can analyze it to little right side so that we'll have more space for interactive dashboard for so here we can change, since all the charts are in same bar chart, we can also change the chart type. Select the chart and go to format, go to design, change chart type. So from here we can change the column chart like this or like this, whichever is good. I think this is good. Let it be. Then this one, age wise, we will change it to chart type. We'll change it as bar chart. Click OK. Then we can change the color. The color can be changed and the chart type can be changed here by selecting the values here. Then here, since only two values like male and female is there, we can also change the chart type to pie chart for better visualization. We can also resize this. It's all about how we are adjusting according to the space and how we are presenting it. So here we can change the chart type to trend. So the furniture and other things goes like this. Change the color of the chart. So here also we can change the color. So now we need to create connections because if I select, let's say East, the region East, only this dashboard's chart is pivot chart is changing and all other charts are static. So for this we need to establish connection. So for this, select this. Since it has been used as a main KPI, select this and select report connection. So here we need to change all the pivot charts. So select all the name of the pivot charts like age, cost, gender and product. Click OK. So here if we select East, now we can see all the values are changing dynamically. So according to the region, it is changing. So similarly, we can see, let's see, we want to see only the January month sales or the March month sales. So here only this again, this um, chart alone changing and all other charts are not changing. So for this, we need to create a connection. So right click and report connections. Select all the charts here. Click OK. So here we can see all the charts also dynamically changing. So there is not much sales in March, Jan, Feb, whereas in May month the sales is slowly picking it up and there is no sales in the month of August, September, October, November, December. So the sales happens only in the month of April, May, June according to the given data in the South zone. So here we can select the dynamic charts according to the requirement. So the charts are changing as per our KPI. Thank you.